Ladies and gentlemen, as we begin, I would like to introduce Dr. Tarun Agrawal, Director, National Insurance Academy, Pune, to all of you who would be presenting welcome address. Dr. Agrawal has more than 3 decades of leadership and academic experience and has worked extensively in the areas of financial inclusion, financial education, microfinance, corporate strategy, funding and business scale, and digital payments. He has to his credit PhD in management and is also a fellow of Cost and Management Accountants of India. A recipient of Stallion Award in his previous stints, he is fondly known as the India Inclusive Business Leader, having won an award from International Finance Corporation, the World Bank Group, USA. His vision is to create academic excellence, build collaborative community, inculcate leadership with social responsibility, global perspective, and experiential learning. With this brief introduction, I request him to kindly come forward and present the welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shruti. I think before I start, a big round of applause goes for all the NIA students for putting up this great show. Thank you, guys. You did a great job. Respected speakers on the dais and off the dais, we are expecting our chief guest, Mr. B.C. Patnaik. He's on his way. Somehow, he's delayed. Mr. B.C. Patnaik is a member live ADA. We have among us Mr. Nilesh Garg, MD and CEO, Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited. Mr. V. Satyakumar, sir, Chair Professor, Financial Inclusion and Social Security, NIA. Eminent delegates, my distinguished alumni of NIA, my dear faculty colleagues, staff members, organizers of the summit, leaders of the industry, friends from the press, dignitaries and young future leaders, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. As we come together for taking an oath for a good cause, that is reimagining insurance business, insurance for all by 2047, let me remind you that it is the 272th day of the year, and only 93 days are precisely remaining until the end of this year. And maybe if we add 92 days for the financial year, we have miles to go before we sleep. On this World Heart Day, let's not only raise awareness about heart diseases, but also recognize the importance of insurance. With these words, good morning to you all, and a very warm welcome to this esteemed summit. I am deeply honored and delighted to be hosting this event along with my colleagues, and I'm equally excited to see such a diverse and enthusiastic audience. Welcome to the NIA's 19th Summit, Reimagining Insurance Business, Insurance for All by 2047. In an era which is marked by rapid economic changes, evolving risks, and unforeseen challenges, the need for insurance coverage for all has never been greater felt. Several studies show that there are still gaps and barriers in insurance landscape that needs to be addressed. If we go into little details of the call given by a regulator, we can clearly see that the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, as part of its vision, Insurance for All by 2047, has allotted states and union territories to every insurer to increase insurance penetration in India. IRDA is also planning to launch Bima Trinity, which I'm sure all of you know is a combination of Bima Sugam, Bima Vistar, and Bima Vahaks, in collaboration with general and life insurance firms to make insurance activities hassle-free. Let's delve little deep into it. What is IRDA vision for 2047? This is a call given by a regulator with the objective that every citizen has to have an appropriate life, health, and property insurance cover, and every enterprise is supported by appropriate insurance solutions. Another aim is to make the Indian insurance sector globally attractive. The three important pillars helping this happen are insurance customers, that is policyholders, insurance providers, that is insurers, insurance distributors, that is our intermediaries. And the focus areas for the call will be making available right products to right customers, creating robust grievance redressal mechanism, facilitating ease of doing business, ensuring that the regulatory architecture is aligned with the market dynamics, boosting innovation, competition and distribution efficiencies while mainstreaming technology and moving towards principle-based regulatory regime. When we talk of penetration, it means opportunity. Opportunity for business and growth. Opportunity to serve our nation. What's stopping us from latching on to this opportunity? Is it insurtech or leadership or anything else? Insurance business is a maze of products, and the storyline revolves around premium, payout, risk, and revenue. I feel trust is the only factor that can manage all four. Hence, the game changer is the need for customer protection and innovation. Data is the new oil, and with data management, data valuation, data analytics, and data security, the skills in the space are on the rise. The need for modeling of uncertainties is also another aspect for which the demand is on the rise. It would not be wrong to say that the need is to embed the risk in the organizational culture itself. Other areas being CRM, which is the customer relationship management, building the customer intelligence, use of drone and RFID chip-based technologies. We need to remember that per se technology cannot lead to penetration. What we need is trustworthy delivery with speed on a real-time basis, user-friendly, paperless, easy to implement, scalable, adaptable, and flexible tech platforms providing end-to-end service. Sensor-based data to corroborate with satellite and geospace technology. Products which are on revenue loss with multiple perils need to be developed. Perils like moisture, wind velocity, scanty rainfall, lack of sunlight, hailstorm, floods, tsunami, etc. If we were to take and talk of agriculture as an example here, it's high time for disrupt your disruption. Need for digital mindset of drones, robotics, and high-speed technologies. We also need to understand as to why there is a protection gap. Is it on account of ability to finance or other factors? Revolutionary efficiency and customer experience through digital is the key. How organizations manage, access, and process data also needs to be looked at. Digitization, which provides for scalability, cost effectiveness, and better collaboration, thus leading to competitive edge, is the way forward. Now the question arises as to how can we achieve that and what is the significance? I'm sure questions like these we all will be deliberating upon today, tomorrow, and will continue to evolve. How it can help people in households across the country to have access to an affordable insurance policy that covers health, life, property, and accidents, and how these policies would offer faster claim settlements, sometimes within hours, and with additional benefits like gym and yoga memberships, etc. Throughout the day, we will explore various facets of this important topic, reimagining insurance business, insurance for all by 2047. We will delve into strategies and ideas to make insurance more affordable, inclusive, and reachable. We will also explore the importance of distributors and distributions, digital technology and regulatory framework required to protect the customer while promoting industry growth. We have assembled a panel of distinguished speakers and thought leaders as panelists for the entire day from various fields of insurance, intermediaries, and insurtech companies who will be sharing their insights, experience, and innovative solutions to address the challenges lying ahead and the opportunity in making insurance accessible to all. As we take off on this journey together, we should not forget that the ultimate goal of insurance for all is not just a slogan, but a shared responsibility. It is about creating a world where individuals and businesses can thrive, knowing that they have a safety net to fall back on in times of adversity. With much courage and determination today, I say that together we can and we will pave the way for a future where insurance is not a privilege, but a fundamental right, ensuring that every individual and family can lead their lives with confidence, knowing they are protected. I would like to encourage each and every one of you to actively participate in the discussion, ask questions, and engage with our distinguished speakers. Your insights and perspective are invaluable in shaping the future of insurance and ensuring that it truly becomes a safety net for all. Time for all of us to debate and deliberate upon unlocking the trust, unleashing the access, unimaginable disruption, agility in adoption, navigating newer and newer risk landscapes, strategies around people, process, and technology, and last but not the least, when and how to move from experimentation to empowerment. Thank you all once again, and I join hands with all of you today in taking an oath that together we can pave the way for a future where every individual, every family, and every business can embrace the security and surety of insurance and get the peace of mind that insurance offers. I would not be wrong in saying, let us make a sincere attempt and see how we together can create a digital symphony and sing the tune of success. Once again, I wish this summit a grand success. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Agrawal, for the warm and hearty welcome.